How's it going? This is the Drunk Trader. I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm going to start putting together videos in hopefully 120 seconds or less. But in this case today, because it's the first video, I'm going to be a little wordy at the get-go. But so you know, these are going to start coming out on a regular basis. So I hope this will be fun for everyone and informative. So let's make it happen. Here we go. So the first thing I want to show you real quick was the Dow Jones chart. And obviously we had the pullback recently, and I was looking at the 15,800 as support here. Obviously a lot of people use S&P as well, but I just wanted to use this as a real quick run through of what I was thinking. So you can see the 15,800, you see the support line right here, right? Obviously, so yeah, we had the bounce today, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a little more tomorrow, and we could get maybe crack back over 16,000 and see what happens. Something that a friend of mine pointed out to me as something to keep in mind is you can see that there is sort of a head forming here to here. So something we want to make sure that we end up breaking over is this 16,100 confirmation and continue forward if the uptrend is continuing. If not, we could see the head and shoulders pattern here with a breakdown coming below 15,700, and we might trend down to the 200-day moving average. That might be in the future. Anyways, moving on. Next thing I really wanted to get to is Apple. It's a very popular stock right now. Big move today, down on the downside because due to earnings and everything like that. You got Icon, who's buying on the dip. Guy with pockets that deep. There's nothing wrong with that. He can keep buying it down. I think it goes a little lower. I think right now you might as well wait because I think Apple long term is going to be good. You might see a pop back over the 20-week moving average here by the end of the week. Remember, we still have a couple days left in the week. That 20-day moving average could be saved by the end of the week, but I still think you might be able to get under 500, so I would wait on buying Apple until then. Next thing I wanted to go to real quick is hemp. This is a stock I've been tweeting about today. It's a high-risk penny stock. I don't recommend going heavy into this. This is something if you want to trade it for a little fun here or there, scalp it, whatnot. But I think one thing that you could be looking at right now is the break of 9 cents. This is something that I've talked about in the past. This 9-cent resistance you see here on the weekly is huge. I think if we have any type of a break over that this week or any time in the near future, you'll see a move up towards 15, this high right here, all-time high right there, 15 or 52-week high. So I think we'll see a move. If we can break 9, we'll continue to move up over that and into 15 area, give or take. But I think right now it's definitely one to keep an eye on. If you want to go ahead and throw something minimal at it, nothing wrong with that. Again, I tend to trade in everything. I don't limit myself. Whatever can make money, I go for it. So next thing, this actually just piqued my interest really quickly. It's a chart I went over a couple weeks ago. So one of you guys asked me, went over real quick. I was looking down here at filling the gap at 1980, and you can see we've come down a little bit since then. I don't know when I did the chart. It was a couple weeks ago. But anyways, we've come a little lower. We're down to 21. I'd like to see this fill the gap in 1980 in around that zone. We can look at picking up a few, and maybe once the gap is filled, we can make a move higher. Again, I know this was a popular stock, so it's had kind of that the recent trend move higher and all that and whatnot. So I think there are a lot of eyes still on this, so we might see some bounce in that area. So keep an eye on it. Okay, that's it. Like I said, I don't want to make this long. I'm going to make it straight to the point. So we had Apple, the Dow Jones, hemp, and GOGO. That's all I went through today. Anything else, let me know. I'll more than happy to do a chart or something like that for any of you guys, whatever. So plan on seeing more of these, and keep in touch.